Party Popper DuckChain Airdrop Checker is live. Claim your $DUCK tokens now. Duck. Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Rocket big news today. The much-awaited DuckChain Airdrop Checker is officially live as of January 13th, 1300 hours Universal Time Coordinated. 3 o'clock. This is your golden chance to grab some $DUCK tokens and be part of the DuckChain revolution. Let's dive into all the juicy details and make sure you don't miss out. Backhand index pointing down. What's the buzz about DuckChain Airdrop Checker? White heavy check mark. Who's eligible? If you've been active in bridge staking or other on-chain activities up until January 7th, 1300 hours Universal Time Coordinated, you're eligible to claim your share of $DUCK tokens. Plus, if you explored the DuckChain mini app between January 7th and January 12th, there's a special allocation waiting for you. How to claim your $DUCK tokens. Link Step 1. Connect your wallet to the DuckChain mini app to check your allocation. Direct hit Step 2. Choose your claiming method. Off-chain via OKX Rocket, quick and fee-free. On-chain via public mainnet Boost, starting January 16th, 9 o'clock Universal Time Coordinated, for wallets other than Particle, Tomo, or OKX. Sparkle's bonus alert. OKX has waived all claim fees, and if you've already paid a fee, guess what? You'll get a refund plus 20% $DUCK bonus. Party Popper. 1 million user reward. Trophy. DuckChain is showing big love to its community. They've airdropped $DUCK tokens to 1 million active users who missed earlier airdrops. But hurry, the claim deadline is January 14th, 1300 hours Universal Time Coordinated. Don't miss this. DuckChain listing and what's next? Calendar. Mark your calendars. DuckChain's listing and token generation event, TGE, go live on January 16th, 2025 via OKX. This is a big milestone for DuckChain, as it moves closer to integrating with larger crypto ecosystems. Globe showing Europe, Africa. With a community-first approach, DuckChain is serious about growth, accessibility, and rewarding its loyal users. Their transparent tokenomics and efficient airdrop distribution prove it. Bell final words. The clock is ticking, so check your eligibility now and claim your $DUCK tokens before it's too late. This could be your chance to join the DuckChain wave and grow with its ecosystem. Water wave. Speech balloon. Let me know in the comments. Have you checked your eligibility yet? What are your thoughts on the DuckChain listing? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto updates and airdrop opportunities.